Good morning, all of you. In our previous lecture, we can see that data can be analog or digital. Then we can also see that signals can be either analog signal or digital signal. Then we discuss periodic and non-periodic signal. Today we have to discuss analog signal. In our previous lecture, we have to discuss what is analog signal. So analog signal has infinitely many levels of intensity over a period of time, and the waves moves from the value A to value B. It passes through, and it includes an infinite number of values along its path. So what is analog signal? Analog signal means it waves passes through infinite number of values along its path. So आपण आज बघूया what is sine wave. ओके, इथे एक डायग्राम दिसते. त्या डायग्राम मध्ये बघा साइन वेव्हची डायग्राम आहे. अँड साइन वेव्ह मीन्स काय तर कर्व it changes the signal in periodic in fixed period, and it is consistent, smooth and continuous and rolling flow. बघा इथे डायग्राम मध्ये दिसतंय तुम्हाला स्मूथ अँड फिक्स इंटरवल ऑफ टाइम मध्ये काय सिग्नल चेंज होत आहेत, and it is smooth, consistent and rolling flow. This is the diagram of sine wave. Okay, next point is characteristics of analog signal. So first characteristic is peak amplitude. So first, what is amplitude? Amplitude of a signal is the absolute value of its intensity over a time. What is peak amplitude? Absolute value of a signal, absolute value of its intensity over a time. So next is what is peak amplitude. So peak amplitude of a signal is the absolute value of its highest intensity, and which is proportional to the energy it carries. What is peak amplitude? The peak amplitude of a signal is the absolute value of its highest intensity, and it is proportional to the energy it carries. And peak amplitude is measured in होल्ड्स. बघा इथे डायग्राम दिसते तुम्हाला. डायग्राममध्ये पीक ॲम्प्लिट्यूड डिस्क्राईब केलेली आहे. इट शोज high peak amplitude, and this is the first diagram which shows high peak amplitude, and second diagram shows low peak amplitude. बघा this is a peak amplitude, and this shows the high peak amplitude, which is highest intensity or a highest absolute value of highest intensity or a time. And second diagram shows the low peak amplitude, which shows lowest absolute intensity or a time. So what is amplitude? Amplitude is uh, is a signal is, is the absolute value of its highest intensity, and which is proportional to the energy it carries. And what is peak amplitude? Peak amplitude is peak amplitude of a signal is the absolute value of the highest intensity, and which is measured in volts. In this diagram, in our first diagram, it shows the high peak amplitude, and second diagram it shows low peak amplitude. Okay, so next characteristic is frequency. So what is frequency? Frequency refers to the number of cycles completed by the wave in 1 second. What is frequency? Frequency is the number of cycles completed by the wave in 1 second. बघा इथे डायग्राम दिसते मला, तर डायग्राम मध्ये स्टार्ट इथून हा काय कंप्लीट 1 सेकंड टाइम आहे, आणि इथे वेव्स दिसत आहेत सिग्नल्स. आता number of cycles completed by wave in 1 second is called as frequency. आता हा एक पॉइंट इथून स्टार्ट झाला, इथून इथपर्यंत हा एक काय झाला, एक सायकल झाली. नंतर इथून इथे सेकंड सायकल, इथून इथे थर्ड सायकल, इथून पुन्हा एक थर्ड फोर्थ, असे काय टोटल किती आहे सायकल इथे, तर 12. किती, 12. So frequency is 12 and it is measured in hertz. Hz, it is measured in hertz. So frequency काय, 12 hertz. या डायग्राम मध्ये 1 सेकंड मध्ये किती सायकल्स कंप्लीटेड आहे, तर 12. So it is measured in hertz. And next is periods. So what is period? Period refers to the time taken by the wave to complete 1 second. What is period? Time, the time taken by the wave to complete 1 second. म्हणजे 1 सेकंड मध्ये सायकल्स कंप्लीट व्हायला, म्हणजे वेव्स कंप्लीट व्हायला किती टाइम लागतो, विच इज कॉल्ड ॲज पिरियड. So what is period? Which required means amount of time to require complete 1 cycle. बघा इथे डायग्राम मध्ये आता इथे कंप्लीट 1 सायकल होते, कंप्लीट होते. सो अँड टोटल सायकल्स किती आहेत, तर 12. अँड फ्रिक्वेन्सी ऑफ दिस complete signal or wave is 12 hertz. किती आहे 12 हर्ट्ज. सो पिरियड किती असणार इथे 1 सायकल कंप्लीट व्हायला 1/12 सेकंड बिकॉज पिरियड मेजर इन सेकंड. 1 सायकल कंप्लीट व्हायला किती टाइम लागेल that is called as period and period is measured in second. So total किती cycles आहेत 12. So 12 and 1 cycle complete व्हायला किती टाइम लागणार 1/12 and which is measured in second. So this is the frequency and period. What is frequency? Frequency is the number of cycles completed by the wave in 1 second, and period refers to the amount of time in seconds to complete a one cycle. Okay, so next characteristic is phase. So what is phase? Phase describes the position of the waveform with respect to time. ओके, इथे तुम्हाला 3 डायग्राम दिसत आहेत खाली बघा. सो विच डिस्क्राइब साइन वेव्स विथ द सेम एम्प्लिट्यूड अँड फ्रिक्वेन्सी बट डिफरंट फेजेस. बघा हे डायग्राम काय आहे, द सेम साइन वेव विथ द सेम एम्प्लिट्यूड अँड फ्रिक्वेन्सी बट डिफरंट फेजेस. मग फर्स्ट डायग्राम मध्ये काय, हे साइन वेव first diagram, a sine wave with a phase of 0 degree start at time 0 and with a 0 amplitude. काय डायग्राम है, starting with phase 0 degree start at time 0 and with 0 amplitude. जर असं असेल तर काय होतं, amplitude increasing, amplitude काय होते increase होते. Then second diagram start with phase start with 90 degree, 90 degree ने start झाली, then 90 degree ने start also start with time 0 and with also a peak amplitude 0, then amplitude is decreasing, amplitude काय होते decrease होते. Also it is start with third diagram 180 degree, 180 degree ने start झाली बघा इथून and start time with 0 and 0 amplitude, peak amplitude, then the amplitude is also decreasing. So what is phase? Describe the position of the waveform with respect to time and it is measured in radian or degrees. बघा 3 डायग्राम मध्ये डिफरंट फेजेस दिलेले आहेत अँड सेम त्याची फ्रिक्वेन्सी अँड काय ॲम्प्लिट्यूड आहे. 0 डिग्रीने स्टार्ट झाल्यानंतर त्याची ॲम्प्लिट्यूड काय होते इन्क्रीज होते. देन 1 सेकंड डायग्राममध्ये 90 डिग्रीने स्टार्ट झाली तर त्याची काय ॲम्प्लिट्यूड डिक्रीज होते अँड 180 डिग्रीने स्टार्ट झाल्यानंतर इट इज ऑल्सो डिक्रीज द amplitude and phase is measured in radian or degrees. नेक्स्ट आपण आता बघूया रिलेशन बिटवीन फ्रिक्वेन्सी अँड पिरियड. what is frequency? Frequency is the number of cycles completed in 1 second and time period means amount of time to taken complete one cycle. बघा त्याचं रिलेशन बघूया फ्रिक्वेन्सी अँड पिरियड युजिंग फॉर्म्युला. बघा इथे दिसतंय टी इज इक्वल टू 1/f. आपण मागच्या डायग्राममध्ये पण बघितलेलं पिरियड काउंट केलेला which is complete one cycle 1 second मध्ये वन सायकल कंप्लीट व्हायला किती किती टाइम लागतो, अमाऊंट ऑफ टाइम लागतो तो फाइंड आउट केलेला. 12 हर्ट्स फ्रिक्वेन्सी होती. सो इट रिक्वायर 1/12 बघितलेलं. सो आता फ्रिक्वेन्सी अँड पिरियड विच इज रिलेटेड बाय युझिंग फॉर्म्युला. तर फॉर्म्युला कसा आहे ना, टी इज इक्वल टू 1/f. f small f denoted by using frequency and capital T which is denoted by using period, and also f is equal to 1/t. Okay, एक एक्झाम्पल बघूया. बघ खाली एक ए वेव हॅज फ्रिक्वेन्सी ऑफ एक्झाम्पल आहे. वेव हॅज अ फ्रिक्वेन्सी ऑफ 100 हर्ट्ज. इट्स पिरियड इज गिवन बाय, म्हणजे आपल्याला काय काउंट करायचं आहे, पिरियड. सो पिरियड फाइंड आउट करण्याची फॉर्म्युला काय, टी इज इक्वल टू 1/f. T is equal to 1/f, and period is measured in second and frequency is measured in hertz. So T is equal to 1/f आणि आपल्याला गिवन काय दिलेलं आहे, फ्रिक्वेन्सी दिलेली आहे किती, तर 100 हर्ट्स. आणि आपल्याला फाइंड आउट काय करायचं आहे, पिरियड, टाइम पिरियड टी. सो टी इज इक्वल टू 1/f. व्हॅल्यू पुट करायची 1/100 विच रिक्वायर्ड 0.01 सेकंड. 0.01 सेकंड to complete one cycle. बघा सेकंड अजून एक एक्झाम्पल बघूया. ए वेव कम्प्लीट्स इट्स वन सायकल इन 0.25 सेकंड. इट्स फ्रिक्वेन्सी इज गिवन बाय, मीन्स आपल्याला कॅल्क्युलेट काय करायचं आहे, फ्रिक्वेन्सी. फ्रिक्वेन्सीसाठी फॉर्म्युला काय, एफ इज इक्वल टू 1/t. सो पुट करूया टी ची व्हॅल्यू. टी ची गिवन दिलेली आहे, पिरियड 0.25 सेकंड. 1/0.25 is equal to 4, and which is measured in frequency measured in hertz. Frequency measured in hertz, so the unit of frequency is hertz, and final answer is 4 hertz. So next point is wavelength. What is wavelength? Wavelength is the distance of a signal travels in one period, and wavelength of a signal is refers to the relationship between frequency and propagation speed of the wave through a medium. So simple it is formula. So simple it is given by wavelength. Wavelength is equal to propagation speed into period. Relationship between frequency or period and propagation speed is called as wavelength. Wavelength is, and it is calculated by wavelength is equal to propagation speed into period, and period is the inverse of frequency, so 1 upon frequency is period is equal to 1 upon frequency. प्रिव्हियस फॉर्म्युलामध्ये आपण बघितलेलं हाऊ कॅल्क्युलेटेड period, which is equal to 1 upon frequency. So it is also written by wavelength is equal to propagation speed into 1 upon frequency. आणि wavelength which is represented by using lambda symbol, lambda. And how it is calculated, lambda is equal to propagation speed which is denoted by using c, and period which is denoted by using t. So how calculated wavelength, lambda is equal to c into t. T means period, C means propagation speed, lambda means wavelength, and T which is a inverse of frequency f. So how it is also calculated, lambda is equal to C into 1 by f. Lambda is equal to C into 1 by f. Wavelength बघा कशी relate होते with frequency or period and propagation speed. Lambda is equal to C into T. C means propagation speed, T means period, and T which is a inverse of frequency, so lambda is equal to C into 1 by f, and wavelength is measured in micrometer because it is a distance. So what is wavelength? Wavelength is the distance to travels a signal in one period, and it is the relationship between frequency or period and propagation speed. And how it is calculated? By wavelength is equal to propagation speed into period, and period is inverse of frequency, so wavelength is equal to propagation speed into 1 upon frequency. uh, and wavelength is denoted by using lambda, so lambda is equal to propagation speed, which is denoted by using C into, and period is denoted by using C into T. Lambda is equal to C into 1 by f. T is equal to 1 by f, so it is also related. C into 1 by f, and which is measured in micrometer because it is a distance. Thank you.